Hi, I am Dr. Abdallah Allam, lecturer of physical medicine, rheumatology and rehabilitation of Tanta University, Egypt. I am pleased to be invited faculty in Roma Pain Days 2023. I hope our colleagues from different specialties like pain physicians, rheumatologists, physiatrists, radiologists, sports medicine physician, and orthopedic surgeons join us in Roma Pain Days. You will enjoy the journey in pain medicine during the conference and workshop. The workshop includes different interesting topics, hands-on and lectures. Don't miss the opportunity of learning updates of pain medicine and join us in Roma Pain Days 2023. See you in Roma and bye bye.